welcome back to our live. We're going to the second half. 38-21 in favor of the home team. Ang San Juan National High School. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi dito or makakahabo ang Acads. Yan, sa kanilang pangunguna ni Idol Arnaiz for Acads. At ang ating defending champion ng you know. Hey, shout out. Alright, third quarter tayo. Let's go. Oopsie. Natin yung mga sabay. Oh. Offensive foul by number 6. Oh, what a nice layup by number 21. 23-38 to number 6. Still, here comes Arnaiz. Chong to number 7. Oh, gotta go over. Bounce pass. What an extra pass to number 12. 25-38. Babasa na 13 ang lamang ng home team. Number 3, up and under basket by Santiago. Oh, bad pass. Drop pass to Santiago. Back-to-back basket for Santiago. Oh, still. Oy! Out of balance. Good defense for Acads. Nakakapit na sa ating Arnaiz 4-3. No. Number 12. Wala pa rin. Makakuha dito ng San Juan National. Rodriguez. Uy, walang tawag. Same ball tayo. Oh, there's a foul. By number 12. Number 6 shooting at the line. Basket. Second shot para kay number 6. Basket again, 2 for 2.
Remaining on 7 minutes 39 seconds. Score 25-43. Favor of Municipal.
By number 37 for Acads. Nice finger roll for Santiago. Oopsie.
Number 3, foul.
makisalo yung play for San Juan National High School. Rodriguez, short. 47 lang na po to. All the way, basket. Basket count and one. For Viana Rodriguez. Basket count ba? Bonus shot for BN. Rodriguez. For a 3-point play. Uy, outlet pass. Stop and pump. No. Rebound by number 6. To Santiago. Ooh. Offensive foul.
Remaining time, 5 minutes.
Oh, good. Number 24.
Easy to run by number 1.
Rogers number 1. Humahabol and steal. Number 4. Too strong.
Santiago nagpapadali.
On Santiago. Pastor Rodriguez. Fade away shot. No. Rebound again. Santiago. No. Rebound by number 4. Wide open. Kick out. Step back 3 short.
Wala. Nakuha ni Jubit. Nakuha na number 1. And Chong tumira ng 3.
And Chong, no good.
Wala. Nakuha ni Arnold. Arnold nagpapadali.
Arnold up and under.
Score. Number 153 in favor of San Juan National High School. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 45 seconds.
Okay, go!
Wala. Official timeout. three. No. Rebound. Arnaiz fake block from behind.
Time out.
Time out.
San Juan National High School.
San Juan National High School.
23, Tayborog Municipal.
33 ba? Session na po ha. Hindi ko po kasi ano yung wala tayong scoreboard. Kaya pagbanan nyo kung bago-bago ang ating score. At this time, lamang pa rin ang San Juan National High School. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng San Juan National. Bola rito ng Akads number 4. What a nice boy.
Si Priano. Priano nagbababa ng bola. Si Priano.
Ayan o. Number 1 basket. Oh, steal.
Cross ball, jersey, Ping. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining on 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Ba, 2 minutes?
Foul number 1. 1 minute for penalty. 33-55 lamang San Juan National High School. Isigo tayo from Mimi. Prince, tatatayan ng bola. Prince, napamadali.
Nasa technical.
Double technical, number 15-7.
Okay, double technical tayo.
Foul! Penalty tayo ulit, jersey number. Pasok. Third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining on 1 minute, 8 seconds.
Remaining time 1 minute and 8 seconds. Wala.
Priano.
Uy, short. Oopsie, that's a traveling violation.
Score, 35-55. Tayborog Municipal.
Wide open. Bam. 3.
Remaining on 40 seconds.
Jump shot. No.
Wala.
Last 10 seconds remaining. Bola ng Akads. Uy, wala. Another rebound. No, it's number 4 against the foul.
Benji number 15. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Number 4, basket.
6 seconds. Time remaining.
Second shot, basket.
Basket.
38-57. Segundo na lang tayo. 4 short. And nagsistay na sila. End of the third quarter, official score of 57-38. Lamang pa rin dito ang San Juan National High School. Ayan, dito na tayo sa fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin. Oh, shoutout. Congrats. Ayun, no? Del Rosario. Ayan, tingnan natin kung makakahabol sa fourth quarter ang Akads. Ayan, sa mga kakasyon lamang po, this is the San Juan City District Meet Final sa ating District 1 Division, High School Division rather. This is the battle between Akads versus San Juan National High School. Ang magwawagi po dito ay ay papasok sa finals for a district meet. Ayan. Hindi pa natin alam kung sino kanilang makakalaban. It's either sa District 2. Ayan. Sa District 2 nandun ang Kabayanan Integrated School, the TVL, San Juan Science. Ayan, for the high school division. Good luck, mga boys. Tingnan natin kung sino magiging bagong represent ng ating San Juan City sa ating upcoming palarong pambansa 2027, if I'm not mistaken. Fourth quarter tayo. 4-3, yes, para sa Teresa. For Akads. Uy. There's a foul, number 4. Number 71. Pass number 3. From the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Here comes Arnaiz. Arnaiz up and under. No. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago. 3 against 4. Waiting for his teammate. Oy, and steal. Oopsie. Number 24. Arnaiz and gets the contact by number 71.
First personal foul, first team foul. Remaining on 8 minutes, 35 seconds. Shut up.
4-3 short. And out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng San Juan National. Jump shot. Basket. Number 1. Oh, and steal by number 4. Number 4, drive and score. 42-59 according sa official. Lamang pa rin ang San Juan National Number 4, 4-3. Borjal miss. Rebound. Out and pass. Number 24, Arnaiz all the way. Basket yan for Arnaiz. Humahabol ang Akads and steal. Ayan na si Arnaiz. Arnaiz, tap and pop for 3. No good. Rebound. And out of same ball.
For the ball, 59.
Number 1. Oopsie. There's a trouble. Violation.
Remaining time, 6 minutes, 14 seconds.
6 minutes and 40. San Diego nagmamadali. San Diego, drop pass to number 6. Wala. And out of bounds. Bola rito ng Akads. Ayan na, nagmamadali ang Akads. Nagmamadali. Binigay sa corner. Arnaiz. Oh, what a change direction. But there's a contact. Ay, paulan na tawag. Si Angelo Priolo. Bola rito ng Akads. Arnaiz. Arnaiz, pinasa kita. Number 1, nakalusot. Too strong. Rebound by Angelo. Priolo to number 6. Santiago, nagpapadali. Dire-diretso. Santiago, miss. Uy. Isa pa. Wala. And rebound. Ayan na. Si Pinpin. Pass to Arnaiz. Arnaiz and gets the contact. Mapaul dito ang San Juan. Graduate. Substitution. Nandito na ang kanilang team captain. Rodriguez. Graduate dito si Idoro. Bola ng Akads. Running shot, miss, and out of bounds. Same ball.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Score, 44, 59.
Arnaiz. Oopsie.
Number 4. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty dito ang San Juan National High School. Number 4, in and out. Rebound by number 6.
Chago.
Rodriguez for 3. No. Rebound. Ng Akads. Oops. Arnaiz. No. Number 3. Number 6. Miss. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Uy, wala. Out and pass, Santiago. Pumubuelo. What an extra pass. Rodriguez. What a connection. Santiago to Rodriguez. Arnaiz fade away. Wala. Block from behind. Number 4. Oh, that's the contact. May foul.
3 minutes, 15 seconds. 44, 61.
44-61.
Penalty. Personal, basket. Nagol, narito na nagol. Santiago, nagpamadali. Santiago.
Rodriguez. Uy, no, number 6. Tawag. Oh, nakabawi. Si Bingbing.
Score, 47-63.
Number 6, wala.
Easy to play, second win. Remaining on 2 minutes, 22 seconds. 49-63.
Rodriguez, no good. For 3, yes sir. For our night. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes na lang daw po tayo according sa ating official. 52-63. Down by 11. Oh, what a block. Wala pa rin. 2 against 1. Nice shot. Ayan na, down by 8. Or sorry, down by 9. Ha? 9 na lang eh. Fifty-four, 63. 9-point lead. Ayan. Time out muna dito ang San Juan National High School.
54-63 lamang municipal. 54-63. Isang timeout na lang ang San Juan National High School.
Ayan. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School.
54-63. 54-63.
Ilang minutes na lang tayo, guys?
Time remaining, 1 minute, 27 seconds.
7 seconds. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa dulo. Last 1 minute. Rodriguez. Oh, wala. Rebound by number 4. Ayan na ang Akas. Arnaiz. Oy, what a fake. 4-3. Wala. Sayang. Rebound by Santiago. Santiago. Inuubos na lamang ang oras. Number 71. 4-3. No. And out of bounds. Oops, wait lang. Nagmamadali na dito ang Akats. Segundo na lamang po. Last 46 seconds. 54-63. Ayan na, from the corner, 4-3. No, rebound. Makuha, Arnaiz. Step back to rim. Oy, wala pa rin. Number 4, basket. Ayan na, humahabol. Down by 9. What an extra pass. Priolo, wala. Number 12. 15 seconds, get the contact and score. 58. 68, 53. Diba? Oh, steal. At dito na po nagtatapos ang laban. Congratulations, Ak San Juan National High School. Our final score, 54-68. Ayan, panalo po at abante na ang San Juan National High School for district meet sa ating San Juan City. And nice game para sa Kaakans. What a good game. Ayan, congrats! Congrats, Ara. Congrats. See you.
Hindi ka tao.
Ayan. Congrats, San Juan National High School. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po.